Hey guys, welcome back to the Planet V. Today we're taking you to Ostuni, often called La Città Bianca, the White City. From a distance, it almost looks unreal, rising above a sea of olive trees, a bit like Mont Saint-Michel in France, but entirely in white. If you're planning to visit the city, stay with us until the end. Piazza della Libertà is the main square where past and present meet. Once the political heart of the town, it's now where daily life unfolds, from morning coffee to evening gatherings.
If you don't have a lot of time, so you get a quick bite, we've got some focaccia today.
Always works.
At the center stands the Colonna di San Toronzo. He is the patron saint of the city, believed to have protected Ostuni during times of plague. Another reminder of how closely history and survival are tied to this place. The Chiesa di San Francesco d'Assisi dates back to the 14th century, later reshaped with Baroque elements. Like much of Ostuni, it reflects different periods layered into one structure.
Lucky, we're the only one here for now.
Porta San Demetrio is one of the historic gateways of the city. We heard it might be one of the oldest entrances still in use today, although that's not something widely documented. The old town was designed to confuse outsiders. Streets change size without warning, from wider passages to narrow ones. There are steps that suddenly go up or down, sharp turns, and uneven paths that break your sense of direction. It encouraged us to slow down and explore Ostuni more carefully.
It's like Chef Shawen.
That color isn't just for looks. For centuries, homes were covered in lime, a natural disinfectant during outbreaks of plague, and a way to reflect the intense southern Italian heat. What started as necessity became identity. Ostuni's history goes back thousands of years, and today you see it all layered together. Medieval streets, defensive walls, and Baroque details all built tightly on a hill for protection. The Arco Scopa connects two important buildings, the Bishop's Palace and the Seminary. It's a small architectural link, but it reflects how the city was organized around religious and civic power. The The Concattedrale di Santa Maria Assunta is one of the clearest landmarks of the city. Its facade features a large rose window, one of the biggest of its kind in southern Italy, symbolizing the wheel of life. It was closed when we visited, but it was still beautiful. The sunset even added a bit of drama to the lighting of the facade. From the side, you start to see how the cathedral is woven into the dense structure of the old town. Though we didn't go inside, the Museum of Pre-Classic Civilizations of the Southern Murgia is one of the region's most important archaeological finds. The remains of the Ostuni woman, a pregnant woman from around 28,000 years ago. It places this small city into a much deeper human timeline. Vico Balsamo dell'Andria is one of those streets that feels untouched. Without a plan during our exploration, we ended up here randomly, a small, quiet corner where not many tourists seem to pass. These kinds of places often say more about daily life than main landmarks. Through Porta Nova, you reach one of the historic entrances to the city. The nearby bastions remind you that Ostuni was once fortified, positioned to defend against invasions from both land and sea. The Mura Aragonesi date back to the Aragonese period in the 15th century. They follow the natural shape of the hill, reinforcing both defense and the compact structure of the town. When you visit the city, don't forget to explore the outer edges of the old town. This is where you really see the walls rising above you.
We already visited the places on our list, and now we're just randomly walking around. And there's still some dainty areas here. This place reminds us of Hydra. So if you've watched our vlog about Hydra,
you will see why.
you will see why. Like that. Except that you won't see donkeys. They have here their own tuk-tuk, tricycle.
Called Ape.
Ape?
Yes.
Ah, I didn't know that. So that's Ape.
Ape. Ape. Ape.
By evening, the pace shifts. Restaurants open onto the streets, lights soften, and the white walls take on warmer tones. And of course, no visit is complete without dinner in the historic center. We had a great evening here with friendly staff and really attentive service. Ostuni isn't about one single highlight. It's the mix of history, function, and everyday life, all still visible just beneath the surface.
So if you visit Ostuni or the Puglia region in general, this is a nice place to stay for a couple of nights and just drive around the area less than an hour and enjoy the whole region, the wine, everything. So if you like this vlog, please post your comments, like the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and we will try to give you more of this road trip in the Puglia region. Until next time, bye bye, ciao.